summer has finally arrived in Switzerland. I'm not talking too loud because I'm surrounded by a lot of people. Yeah, I'm still not that comfortable speaking around so many people into a camera, especially that loud, so I'm kinda holding it back. The weather, it's fantastic, it's 26 degrees. I'm sunbathing. There are a lot of people who are doing exactly the same. Trash can. Yeah, that's what's up. I hope you guys enjoying the day as well as I did. Although I have to be careful because I forgot my towel as well as sun cream. And I'm already in the sun for 1.5 hours, so. The goal that I set myself was to reach 100 subscribers till the end of the year. I'm not pushing too hard on getting more subscribers. I'm more focused on elevating the quality of the vlog. Yeah, well, picture-wise actually, you know, with all the tricks. Because my time lapses are not that professional yet, and I'm only doing it since, what do I have, like 28 vlogs. And so my goal is to really focus on color grading, which I only do since 4 vlogs ago, so kind of proud of myself. And also I'm on a kind of a bridge. We're gonna move on October 1st. So that's on October 1st, we're gonna be in our new apartment, and then try to daily vlog from then on. I really try. And then it's going on, guys, like psh, rocket into the sky. The view is amazing. This view exactly here where I'm standing, well, not exactly on the bridge, but this part of Lucerne here behind all this. I mean, look at this, I have to cover first. And now you have to think you're walking out of the train station and all you see is what the heck is this? Over there. Just a 180 turn, and now they're following this other aircraft. And I think the other two have to be military airplanes. Now the first one is even with them. Can you hear that noise? I think it's the other plane started. Because back there is the military airbase. What the heck is going on over there? Up there. Yeah, I know. Very close, yeah. Maybe Donald Trump. Yeah, maybe. Oh my god. So what was that? I really will learn and study all those methods, you know, like time lapses and slow motion and color grading. And I think coming October 1st, my vlog will go. So guys, in order you don't know what that green thing is, So guys, what I would love to do at the moment is getting my drone out and flying all over this river. This is the Royce there from this bridge, all over these other bridges. But it's hard because there are so many people around here. So guys, got the drone shots, and now it's really time to go home for me because I'm looking like a lobster.